Welcome to Position Matters, where your opinions matter and curiosity thrives. In this video, we are delving into the world of firearms to uncover the most beautiful and one of history's truly iconic firearm. The Mauser C96 Construktion 96 is a semi-automatic pistol originally manufactured by the German arms manufacturing company Mauser between 1896 and 1937. Unlicensed copies of this gun were also manufactured in Spain and China in the first half of the 20th century. The C96 features an integrated box magazine in front of the trigger, a long barrel and short barrel rifle stability, a wooden shoulder stock that can be used as a holster or carrying case, and a barrel-shaped grip. Broom handle. In the English-speaking world, this grip earned the gun the nickname broomstick, and in China, the C96 was known as a box cannon due to its rectangular internal magazine and magazine shape. Was given the nickname. The holster is housed in a removable stock that looks like a wooden box. With its long barrel and high velocity cartridge, the Mauser C96 had better range and better penetration than most other pistols of the era. The 763 multiplied by 25mm Mauser cartridge was the highest velocity pistol cartridge produced commercially until the introduction of the .357 Magnum cartridge in 1935. Mauser produced approximately 1 million of his C96 pistols, although a large number were produced in Spain and China but are unknown due to poor quality production record.